Hello everyone, myself Prateeksha Nayak and I am a teacher trainee of KLE Society's College of Education, Ankola. I am here to explain turmeric is a natural indicator. For this experiment, we want water, turmeric powder, detergent and lemon.
We start the experiment. First we should take a water in a glass and then we should add turmeric powder to the water. Stir it well. And let's see what is the color. The color is yellow. Turmeric contains chemical called curcumin, which remains yellow in an acidic or neutral solution. Now for this solution, we add some detergent. And mix it well. The solution changes to red color. And then we should add lemon to the solution. When we add lemon to the solution turns back to yellow. Turmeric is an acid-base indicator which changes color when the solution turns acidic or basic. Turmeric contains a chemical called curcumin which remains yellow in an acidic or neutral solution but turns red in a base. When you add turmeric into a basic solution, it changes to a deep red color. This red color can be changed back to yellow when you add an acid back into the solution. A neutralization reaction occurs when you add enough acid so that there is an equal amount of both acid and base, therefore creating a neutral solution. Thank you for watching.